Welcome back to Caleb's Creative Designs. I'm Susanna, and we are going to have so much fun tonight by making liquor baskets. These can actually be used for any type, literally for any occasion, but we're going to focus on Christmas since we're close to the Christmas season, and that's why I have the sleigh in front of us, and I will actually show you how to do the other gift ideas as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started, but as always, let's get creative. Alright, so let's go ahead and get our sleeves rolled up and start decorating this alcohol gift basket. So I'm using a sleigh tonight, and I have ribbons. You will actually need your liquor, variety of liquor, any type of liquor that you actually like, but make sure that they're mini size ones that you'll need. You will need your sugar, or you can use sand or even salt. I chose sugar for tonight. You'll need the skewer sticks that you can actually get at the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. And of course your famous glue gun and scissors, your glue dots if you have some, and then a little thing of string lights. This may or may not, this is an option for tonight's decorating idea. So we're gonna go ahead and get our sugar. And you're just simply pouring it in to your actual base that you're using for tonight. Okay. All right, so what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and actually glue each of your mini bottles to your skewer stick. And there are different types of sizes. There's either the smaller ones or the longer ones, so it just depends on which one you want to use. For the sleigh or the display that I'm actually using, the basket that I'm using the smaller ones just because it's not as deep. And then I'm just grabbing the actual bottle and gluing it right on. See if you can see that. We're just gluing it on. So I have about 16 of these glued, so we're going to go ahead and start placing them. We're going to start placing them in the actual basket that we're doing. You can just place them inside. There you're doing, and I can see that this is still too big, so you can go ahead and just actually cut off the bottom portions of these and then stick. So then that way they're sticking. Okay. All right, so I actually like the way it looks. Everything's facing forward, and I have my little embellishments in there, and then we can go ahead and light it up. So it's actually a lit up sleigh of liqueur. So that is our Christmas basket. I'm actually going to go ahead and show you how to do one for New Year's Eve and then also one for a birthday gift. So again, this is our Christmas one. We'll go ahead and start on to the next one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed making these fun, creative gift baskets for the holidays. Again, they have endless possibilities from birthdays to bachelorette parties to New Year's Eve and Christmas. They're great, wonderful ideas. Please drink responsibly and remember that these gifts are for 21 and over. I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And I look forward to seeing you in our next video. But always remember, don't forget to smile.